Did you know that in many Asian countries, people can sit in a deep squat for hours comfortably? It's called the resting squat, and while it might look simple, this ancient habit holds powerful secrets for your health, posture, and even longevity. In today's video, we're diving into 7 surprising reasons why Asians do the resting squat every day and why you should start too. Stick around to the end, you'll be shocked by reason number 6. SEGM into 1. Reason number 1, natural resting position. In the West, chairs are everywhere, but in many Asian cultures, the squat is the chair. Whether they're waiting for a train, cooking, or chatting, many people prefer to rest in a deep squat. Why? Because it's natural. Our bodies were designed to squat. In fact, kids all over the world instinctively do it until furniture makes us forget how. SEGMENT2. Reason number 2, improves mobility and flexibility. The resting squat opens up your hips, knees, and ankles. In cultures where squatting is common, joint stiffness is rare even in old age. Squatting daily gently stretches your lower body, improving circulation and flexibility without any fancy equipment. SEGMENT3. Reason number 3, enhances digestion. Believe it or not, squatting actually helps your digestion. In fact, modern science confirms that the squatting posture helps align your intestines, reducing strain and making bowel movements more efficient. Many Asians still use squat toilets, which doctors now say may be healthier than sitting ones. SEGMENT4. Reason number 4, builds lower body strength. Forget leg day. Just holding a deep squat works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. Over time, this simple practice builds real strength without weights or machines. That's why many farmers, laborers, and martial artists in Asia swear by it. SEGMENT5. Reason number 5, keeps the spine aligned. Chairs promote slouching. Squats, they demand good posture. When you squat properly, your spine stays aligned, your core engages, and your body naturally balances itself. It's a full body reset every single day. SEGMENT6. Reason number 6, it's a cultural practice, and it's vanishing. In many Asian cultures, the resting squat is more than just physical, it's cultural. It's how people eat meals, share stories, and even meditate. But as Western chairs and lifestyles spread, this ancient habit is disappearing. And with it, a wealth of health benefits. SEGMENT7. Reason number 7, it's the secret to longevity. Studies show that people who can get up from the floor without using their hands live longer. The squat builds balance, strength, and mobility, all key to healthy aging. In places like Okinawa and rural China, many elders can still squat for hours pain-free. So, are you ready to bring back the squat? Start slow. Hold it for a few minutes a day. Your body will thank you. Let's not let this ancient wisdom fade. Instead, let's learn from it. Before chairs, recliners, and desk jobs, humans rested in one way, by squatting. Not halfway, but deep, full squats, feet flat, back straight, knees open. In Asian cultures, this practice never stopped. While we in the West were building more cushions and higher chairs, Asians stayed grounded literally. Even kids do it effortlessly. It's not just culture, it's nature. Your body remembers this position. It's just waiting for you to unlock it again. Increases mobility and prevents joint stiffness. Ever wonder why many people in Asia stay mobile and agile even in their 70s or 80s? It's because squatting keeps the ankles, knees, hips, and lower back in motion. It prevents tightness, improves flexibility, and maintains functional movement. And get this, in places where squatting is common, there's a significantly lower rate of joint surgeries and hip replacements. Coincidence? Science says otherwise. Aids digestion and improves gut health. Let's talk poop. Yep, you heard that right. Modern research shows that the squatting position actually straightens the colon, making elimination easier and more complete. That's why many Asian countries still use squat toilets and why some Westerners are now buying expensive squatty potties. Your gut loves gravity. Squatting allows it to do its job smoothly and naturally. Build strength without weights. Think you need a gym to build leg strength? Think again. The resting squat is a full-body workout disguised as a rest. It strengthens your quads, calves, hamstrings, glutes, and core, all while improving balance. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, no equipment, no subscription, no excuses. Aligns your spine and posture. Chairs may be comfortable, but they're quietly ruining our posture. Slouching back pain, rounded shoulders, all from too much sitting. But squatting, it forces your spine into a natural upright position. Your core activates. Your back aligns. Your posture corrects itself without a chiropractor in sight. Secret to longevity and fall prevention. Here's a wild fact. A study found that people who can sit and stand from the floor without using their hands are significantly less likely to die early. Yes, really. Squatting daily improves balance, coordination, leg strength, the very skills older adults need to prevent falls, the one cause of injuries in aging populations. In parts of Asia, even 90-year-olds can squat with ease. They don't fear the floor because they never lost their connection to it. It's more than exercise, it's cultural wisdom. In Asia, squatting isn't just a stretch, it's a lifestyle. People eat in a squat, pray in a squat, play cards, chat with friends, or just relax in a squat. It's a posture of patience, of presence, of stillness. It reconnects us to our bodies and to a rhythm of life that's slower, quieter, more mindful. Maybe that's the wisdom we've been missing all along. So are you ready to reclaim your squat? Start small. Squat for 30 seconds today, 1 minute tomorrow. Your joints, your gut, and your future self will thank you. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. Tell us in the comments, how long can you hold a squat? And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-body wisdom from around the world. This isn't just fitness. It's human nature rediscovered.